Hello, I've recently started the development for a new game in the Metroidvania genre. My idea is a game with lots of feudal Japanese inspiration. Its main mechanic is jumping after touching some sort of trigger, like a bug or a rune or an orb. It is a side-scroller that I'm going to make 3 environments for: snowy mountains, forest, and wastes. The world is threatened by a curse on the land that is polluting it and causing some evil creatures to appear. The main character is a ronin, basically a samurai without a master. He uses a bow as a weapon. He needs to relight fires in 3 towers, one in each, to send the curse away and save the world. This game is definitely a lot more platforming and puzzle focused rather than combat focused, though I do want to add a few enemies. My current progress isn't much yet. I started with creating a prototype, with the same art that I like to make. After that, I made lots of art ideas for the main character. I started with a samurai and ended with a shadow person, who has cloth covering most of his face. I went through lots of different ideas to find this. Different eyes, hat colors, bodies, and weapon types. After landing on the character that I wanted, I started the creation of a cavernous environment reminiscent of Hollow Knight. I didn't like it much, so I instead started working on a forest environment. I drew some rocks, mushrooms, and trees, as well as grass and dirt, then put them into the scene. I also added a background. The main mechanic in my game is jumping, so I wanted to add something that triggers a temporary double jump. I couldn't do exactly what I wanted with the double jump behavior, so I asked Discord, and I got a response, which has worked pretty well. Great job! I've one thing to ask you. Should I make the thing that gives you a double jump be a rune, an orb, or some sort of bug? Or maybe something else entirely? Please tell me in the comment section. I've done lots of planning for this game, including NPCs and environments. Speaking of NPCs, the final thing that I added was the starting NPC, who I will try to add some dialogue to explain why you got there and who you are. I have tons of plans for this game, and I'm really excited to continue working on it. All in all, this is what I currently have. If any of you are wondering what happened to The Last Man on Earth, my previous project, I did not ditch it. I finished it for the most part, but I don't think that I'm going to put it on itch.io anytime soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next devlog.